SOLIDWORKS Design 2026 brings you enhancements across the portfolio. In this video, we'll focus on the new functionality coming to SOLIDWORKS for PDM. SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional 2026 delivers significant enhancements that streamline collaboration and data management for engineering teams. To showcase these powerful new capabilities, let's follow Eric, Engineer, Megan, Manager, and Mitch, Manufacturing, through a comprehensive workflow that demonstrates key improvements from PDM Professional 2025 Service Pack 1 through 2026. Enhanced search functionality leads our improvements. The integrated search interface now features a split button design. First button launches your last executed search, while the second provides access to card search, favorites, and search tools. This streamlined approach reduces clicks and accelerates data retrieval. Search favorites have been enhanced with greater user control. The new option to clear Run Search Favorite on Load prevents automatic execution when favorite searches are loaded, allowing users to modify parameters before running searches. Eric loads his search criteria without immediate execution, then modifies the parameter before executing the command. Search capabilities have been expanded for search card controls. Users can now choose between exact value matching and implicit wildcard searches across control boxes, combo boxes, drop-down lists, and list boxes. Eric demonstrates this by searching for gear and assembly as implicit wildcards, successfully locating assemblies containing these terms rather than requiring exact matches. Eric checks out the subassembly to implement design changes for the new product launch. The gear assembly requires modification. Specifically, the top wall mounting will be removed as the new design secures the assembly to the chassis through the bottom side fastening. After making the required change, Eric saves the assembly locally, but doesn't check in the changes. To demonstrate a critical workflow scenario, we'll clear the cache to simulate situations where Eric leaves the organisation or a system crash occurs. In these cases, locally saved modifications remain unchecked into SOLIDWORKS PDM, traditionally resulting in data loss. PDM 2026's breakthrough ownership transfer capability addresses this challenge directly. New in 2026, ownership can be transferred even when data hasn't been saved back to PDM. Megan Manager can now transfer ownership of Eric's 3 checked out assemblies using the right-click menu. The system's background synchronization between Vault views enables the archive server to maintain regular local cache backups, allowing ownership transfer to retrieve backups and apply incremental changes. One of the most significant enhancements in recent releases. File relationship tracking has been improved with system revision variables now available in both contains and where used views, providing Megan with enhanced visibility into component relationships as she moves assemblies through approval and release workflows. System variables of ID, ID hexadecimal, and archive server path are now available in contains and where used views, making it easier for admins to retrieve data in case of an adverse event. Preview capabilities have expanded to include Parasolid files up to version 37.1 and step files AP203, 214 and 242 formats. Rather than opening files in SOLIDWORKS, users can now preview these formats directly in eDrawings, accelerating review processes. Moving forward, Mitch is logging into PDM and to his surprise, he does not have visual navigation to For Manufacturing folder. With SOLIDWORKS PDM 2026, folder access permissions have been refined for manufacturing workflows. Mitch can now access lower-level folders within restricted hierarchies using 3 specific permissions. May see folders to navigate to subfolder with read file content, read file contents, and show working versions of file. This enables targeted access without exposing parent folder contents. Web 2 interface improvements enhance user experience with visual refinements. The login process now features a progress indicator, providing clear feedback during authentication. The information panel has been redesigned as collapsible, allowing users to show or hide details based on their workflow needs. Named BOMs are now accessible directly through the Web 2 interface. Users can access both manufacturing and purchase BOMs without switching to the desktop client, streamlining review processes for distributed teams. Administrator capabilities have been significantly expanded through convert task enhancements. SAT output files now support up to version 33, while Parasolid file output extends to version 35.1. New resolution deviation tolerance controls allow precise output file quality management. IGES conversions offer enhanced control over geometry handling. Administrators can now define solid and surface entities as bonded surfaces, manifold surfaces, or trimmed surfaces, ensuring optimal output for downstream applications. eDrawings conversion has been enhanced with the file property preservation options. Users can save file properties individually or for each component in assemblies, maintaining critical metadata throughout the conversion process. Additionally, eDrawings web HTML publishing is now supported directly in SOLIDWORKS, adding a new output option to the conversion task. PDF conversion workflows have been streamlined for both draft site and Office documents. Advanced scripting now enables dynamic output path and file name modification, providing greater flexibility in automated document generation. Workflow management introduces archive and unarchive capabilities. Administrators can archive existing workflows intended for future retirement while maintaining the ability to restore them when needed. Additionally, file path type conditions are now available by default when creating workflow conditions, simplifying setup processes. With comprehensive enhancements spanning search functionality, ownership management, Web 2 interface improvements, administrative controls and workflow management, SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional 2026 delivers the advanced data management platform that modern engineering organizations require for efficient collaboration and project success. Together with our TriMech Group partners, we're showcasing the latest and greatest enhancements across the SOLIDWORKS 2026 portfolio on our dedicated What's New webpage. There you can dive deep into our blogs and videos that outline everything you need to know about the new release, and you'll also be able to get in touch with our experienced engineers for a tailored look at how SOLIDWORKS Design 2026 could boost your business.